Hey guys, welcome back to Kiamichi Railroad Shorelines, guys. I got a treat for you guys. This is really cool. I get to see 3218 on the works today. It's a big old surprise. I can't wait for you to see this. But this is actually a pretty cool train. This is different than all the rest of the other engines on the railroad. So guys, hope you'll like this. Ditch lights. It's just look closely, guys. This is really cool. So I'm happy to see ditch lights on a train. It's really awesome, man. It's awesome, everybody. It's awesome. So sorry about talking through the video, guys. So I hope y'all enjoy this. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Alrighty guys, Fred is awake tonight. So I kinda guess he wanted a good night's sleep, a good night's rest. And so he's back on the job today. Look at him, he's beeping. Fred is the train device. He actually tells the dispatch where they're at, and actually tells if the train's working or not. So, and then I think when I was down there yesterday, I stayed until 5 o'clock in the morning, which I don't want to do that again. So then maybe this time the crew might leave early, coming from Hugo to lease the Valiant, and hopefully I might catch the Valiant train. If I could get there, hopefully I might be able to catch them. Or not, I'll just catch the coolest train called Train 32. I think I've got a name for her. I think I might call her Darla. So I think her name will be Darla. So that's so this is really cool. I finally get to see this train in action. I get to see my friends working her and working her ditch light action. So guys, if y'all want to know what's why they press the ditch lights, it's so that way it tells people who's walking the tracks. Think of me right now walking the tracks. And let's see if they're coming from that direction, which they just came. I would be warned there's a train coming in front of me, so that'd give me time to get out of their way. So that's what I would do. That's what the ditch lights are for, and it's also for cars, semi-trucks, people that's walking on the tracks, people who's walking, going across, is going just right across. Okay, let me show you. See, like if there was one coming with the ditch lights going, I would have to stop and wait, or at least hurry up, get out of its way. But guys, if you ever see a train with the ditch lights going, that's what it means. Basically, it means stay out of my way. I'm coming through. So basically, that's what it means. And so always, guys, if you meet a train with ditch lights, stay out of its way. Mostly stay out of the train conductor's way whenever they're blowing the ditch lights. They glow every time when they're approaching a railroad crossing, and also when they're approaching a meeting where two trains meet. And they always blow their horns every time when they meet another train. That's how that's how they check on both trains. The other engineer will honk at the other engineer, and the engineer will honk at the other engineer and tell them both their trains is fine. So guys, I want to see if I catch them again, but hopefully I might be able to see the Queen unit. But guys, share, comment, and subscribe. Man, guys, I'm at this. I'm very glad I do not vote, because man, it's the stuff going on. I'm neutral with this going on. I'm neutral. I don't like the old man that's wanting to become president, because he's wanting to get rid of diesel and oil and gas and with him doing that, he would hurt my railroad hobby. He'll hurt it, because trains run on diesel and oil, and without that, railroads won't be running because of Joe Biden. Joe Biden is wanting to get rid of diesel engines and oil vehicles like mine and a lot of that, and that he's wanting to shut down the whole entire country, and that he's wanting to give immigrants free Sonicare, and we get nothing, and then we have to pay to see a doctor. So I really don't like this, but there's nothing I could do about it. But technically, there's some stuff what he says is actually a lie. So I don't care. I'm glad I'm neutral. But guys, I just hope some of you are neutral, just like me out there. But guys, I just don't want nothing hurting my railroad hobby here and stuff like that, because it'll kill me. Without nothing coming through here, it'll kill me. It would kill me big time. It would hurt me. So guys, please be careful, you know, stuff like that. Please what you're choosing. But I don't vote. I'm neutral. I don't want to vote. I just don't want, because basically both of them are nuts. So I really don't care for both of them. But Trump, he is a cool man. But I'm neutral. So I'm neutral, just like the railroad. Trains are neutral. Railroads are neutral. They're just neutral, about like me. We just don't do nothing. So I have no sides. Railroads don't have sides. So guys, if you vote, just please be careful, and please be careful with the rioters and riots and people's going on with the stuff like that. Just be careful out there. To me, I'd rather tell you just be neutral, just don't vote, but it's up to you. So I'm just telling you what I think about this election. I think some of it is rigged, but how's I know? Who cares? So that's what Biden is wanting to do. And then so guys, I don't know what to do. So my friends told me just let it play out, just let it go. Just let it do what it's gonna do, and just like that. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna quit panicking, not panicking, but quit being stressed out about it and stuff like that. So guys, don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe, and all. I will catch you guys later. See you in my next adventure on the hot rails of the Kiamichi Railroad. I will catch you guys later. Marshing out. Thank you for watching. See you guys later. Marshing out.